Hello and welcome to the International Certificate in Intergenerational Practice, which is our 8-week online training course. My name is Alison Clyde and I'm the CEO for Generations Working Together, which is the National Expert Centre for Intergenerational Practice across Scotland. GWT is a small charitable organisation. We have got 8 members of staff and over 35 volunteers who all together help develop, support and integrate intergenerational work across the country. The course now sits on our GWT own Moodle platform, and we continue to update and improve on each edition delivered. The course is accredited by the CPD Standards Office, and you will receive a certificate at the end from them and also from Generations Working Together. We still, however, have a really strong partnership with Professor Mariano Sanchez in the University of Granada, who still is a partner and a tutor on the course. This course, Mariano and I will be joined by another 5 tutors. We've got Bella and Lorraine from Generations Working Together, Sandra Brown, who's also from Scotland, and we have an international colleagues, Judith Ish Horowitz from Apples and Honey down in London, and Ali Summers from America, who's currently based in America just now. You will find introductory films from them below me here on this page. During this edition, we have students taking part from America, Canada and Spain, and also from the UK, with backgrounds in academia, research and in practice. I wish you all a very exciting learning journey over the next 8 weeks. Please do feel free to ask any kind of questions to your tutors. Keep in contact with other students and tutors through the course cafe, and feel free to ask any questions along the way. It doesn't matter how simple or how complex. So thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing how you progress. Thank you.